Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use SoFi Bank app for beginners. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the SoFi banking app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the homepage of the app. Now, SoFi Banking app is designed to provide a comprehensive suite of financial services in a user-friendly interface. Launched initially as a student loan refinancing company, SoFi has expanded its offerings to include checking and savings accounts. The SoFi Banking app allows users to manage their finances, track spending, set savings goals, and invest. Here, if you tap on the Invest button at the bottom right side of your screen, the Account section will open up. Inside it, if you tap on the Open Account button, you will be prompted to first verify your identity and then enter the required information. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and you will be able to complete it. After that, if you tap on the search icon at top right corner, you will be able to search for the stocks you would like to invest in. In my case, if I search for Walmart, you can see that I am able to buy and sell it using the graph shown. The information based on the graph is also being shown beneath it that you can use to get to know the trends. There is also an About tab that you can use to get the information about the company you want to invest in. So you can use information like this to invest without getting scammed. So that's basically how you can use SoFi Bank app for beginners. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.